In this video, we'll show you how to keep track of jobs using Gas Engineer software. From start to finish, a job will run through the software in various stages. It will be connected to a customer, a property address, it might have a quote, gas certificate, and then an invoice. But what if you want to check up on the status of your jobs? This is best done on our web portal. We'll begin from the dashboard, which is the main page of the software. On this page, there are helpful charts to display the status of your quotes, jobs, and invoices for a given date range. To modify the date range, simply click and choose between set options or specify your own custom date range. Below you can see how many quotes have been created, are outstanding, or have been accepted, how many jobs have been created, invoiced, or completed, and how many invoices have been issued, are outstanding, and have been paid. For both sole traders and larger businesses, this is an easy way to get an overview of how your company is doing. Under the Invoices section, there is an option to expand the outstanding invoices to see a better breakdown of how many late payers you're waiting on. Clicking View on any of these will apply the date range and bring you to the relevant section of the software. This can also be accessed manually by clicking on Jobs in the menu bar to see quotes or jobs, or Invoices to see invoices. We'll start checking up on jobs and quotes. Once in the job window, you've got a few options. These buttons allow you to quickly filter for outstanding jobs, quotes, estimates, and any that you've archived. Underneath, you can set a date range and choose whether you want to see jobs that were created or modified in this range. There is also a column visibility selector, so you can choose what you want to see in this window. For example, if you're not currently interested in a modified date, you can untick that to tidy up the page. On the left here is a status filter. In Gas Engineer software, you can add custom statuses to your jobs. The options you see here are the default ones. If a job has been tagged with any of these statuses, they'll show up where relevant. For example, without any selected, all your jobs with this specified date range will show up. But if you wanted to see only jobs that are waiting to be invoiced, you can apply the filter and add any with that status will show up. Note that you can customize, add, and remove job statuses in your settings. To keep track of invoices you've created or issued, click on Invoices in the menu bar. Here you have tabs for Outstanding, Paid, Reconciled, Drafts, and Archived. You can set the date range here, and similarly modify what data you're shown. There's also a handy option to download invoice data if you click the Download Invoice Data button here. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch by ringing 0207 129 7058 or emailing support@gasengineersoftware.co.uk.